Nakeya, and I'm with Divine Elements of Design in the Decorator's Voice. I'm a certified interior decorator, professional organizer, and planning and productivity strategist. And if those are topics that you're interested in, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell for notifications. Today is week 49 of the Weekly Declutter Challenge. So yes, for this challenge, we are going to declutter our children's toys. And when I say children's toys, don't think because you do not have children that you are exempt from the challenge this week. If you do not have children, what we will do is declutter your own toys, whether it's sports equipments or video games or even your pets' toys. So let's get started with this week. First thing you want to do is go through all of the toys or items and see which items are actually in good condition. So if you have toys that are broken or do not work or missing things, then we're going to properly dispose of those toys. Now, the next thing is to go through look at the toys that work, but maybe your children have outgrown them or they no longer fit a purpose. Maybe you were avid jump roper and now you no longer jump ropes. You have all of these jump ropes that you want to donate. Or for your children, maybe they've outgrown toys or matchbox cars or dolls. Now you can actually properly donate those to maybe a daycare or children's groups, or maybe even just some of your friends that have children of that age. Last and definitely not least, what we're going to do is properly organize those items. So I'm going to give you a little bit of advice. If you have a toy box, please do not just dump toys in the toy box without any rhyme or reason, because what will end up happening is the box will just become a big item or a big box where all of the toys and things are dumped. So what you want to do is have a proper organizational system for your things. So maybe you'll use baskets or you're going to sit them on the shelf or whatever. You can definitely do that. So last, after you've decluttered, what I do in my home is I have a one way in or a one in, one out approach. So as birthdays or Christmas comes, we actually make room for the new items. We don't just keep piling on top of things. So this is where what you would consider like ongoing decluttering. So as you know, we are till actually the end of the declutter challenge. So I would like to see where you are in your progress. So leave that information in the comment section below. And feel free to tag Divine Elements of Design on any of your decluttering challenge progresses. I would love to see that. And don't forget about the Facebook group, the private Facebook group community. You can go in, ask questions, ask for advice, maybe even give some advice to other people that could be in your similar situation. So definitely don't forget to join the Facebook challenge or the Facebook group. That information will be in the description box. So thank you very much for this week's challenge. I'm looking forward to 49 and then also next week, which will be week 50. Thank you very much and have a divine day. Goodbye.